Welcome once again to our channel, Ultimate ICT Help. This is a Samsung S10 Plus 5G with a charging problem, and by the time we opened the phone, the charging ports had been removed or kind of disconnected completely. So, since there was no damage to the charging port, what we needed to do was just to resolder. And the reason why I did this video was just to teach you how to go about it. It is very easy. You can see, so I needed to just let the both contact pins and make sure that it was well connected. So this is it. Now, before you solder it back, make sure that you apply enough flux. That is one major thing you must do. You must apply enough flux, and it has to be enough. And be very careful not to hit the charging ports itself. You can see the way I did it. I first lifted up the charging ports, then I made sure that thing was well heated. The lead was well heated. Then I placed it. That would help it to contact fast. Then don't forget, I first led the two contact pins. So you can see I'm hitting it from left to the right, from point A to B. Then you leave it a bit to dry and to just get cool a bit. So then you lift it up. You will see how neatly it was done. Very easy job. Very easy job. It might look so easy to you, but then it's not that really easy. But for me, this is not today's job. I've been doing it for years, so it was very easy for me to do. At one, you can see, just like it, just as it's always comes with the new distance. So that's just it. So let's test it now to see how it's going to work. Don't forget to share this video and like it, so that other people can also benefit from it. But the major thing is this very place, so you need to be very careful. You have to first remove make sure the battery clip is not under the flex and the motherboard, so it won't damage it. Then you are shortening between the battery clip and the screen clip, so it won't get damaged. So let's see. We're going to test it now. Just take your time. Don't then once you plug charger like this, something will come up. Yes, something will come up. That thing that will come up is an error sign. And should, in case your phone is showing error like that, here's what you should do. Now you will see something like an error sign. Now you will see it. So many phones like that shows error sign, and you will see something like an error sign now. And don't forget, look at it. It's going to charge once. You can see it charged just once. You don't need to try twice or so. The error sign will pop up now. Can you see the error sign? There are some phones that show this way. The reason is just simply that wireless charger, wireless flex. So it was because it was not screwed. So I didn't screw it. So you can see I needed to just screw that place or press it down a bit. It's gonna charge. You can see it's charging now, just by pressing it down a bit. So thank you very much for watching. That shows you how to solve some error sign. You understand? So it can come from the wire.